This is an SQL question on big countries. This question can be accessed through Leetcode.com problems big countries. In a given database table named World, write an SQL query to report the name, population, and area of the big countries. A country is considered big if it has an area of at least 3 million square kilometers or a population of at least 25 million. To explain this SQL problem in more detail, the first thing to understand is the structure of the world table that is given in the problem. This table has 5 columns: name, continent, area, population, and GDP. The name column is the primary key for this table, which means that it is a unique identifier for each row in the table. The continent column specifies the continent to which each country belongs, the area column specifies the area of each country in km2, the population column specifies the population of each country, and the GDP column specifies the GDP, gross domestic product, of each country. The problem asks you to write an SQL query that reports the name, population, and area of the big countries. To solve this problem, you can use a select statement to select the name, population, and area columns from the world table, and use a where clause to filter for rows where either the area is at least 3 million or the population is at least 25 million. Select name, population, area from world where area greater than equals 3 million or population greater than equals 25 million. This query will return the name, population, and area of all countries in the world table that have an area of at least 3 million square kilometers or a population of at least 25 million. The result will be sorted in the order that the rows appear in the world table. The select statement is used to specify the columns that you want to include in the query result. In this case, we are selecting the name, population, and area columns. The from clause specifies the table that you want to select the data from. In this case, we are selecting from the world table. The where clause is used to filter the rows of the table based on a condition. In this case, we are using the OR operator to specify that we want to include rows where either the area is at least 3 million square kilometers or the population is at least 25 million. The OR operator means that either of the conditions must be true for a row to be included in the query result.